Hi guys, my name is Daniella, and today we're gonna keep on remixing the basketball free throw game. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Um, so I already did my background, I made my sprite, and then this is my background. So, alright, the next step. Okay, so it says from the sprites toolbox drawer, drag a set sprite position block and drop after the set sprite. So sprite box, toolbox, set sprite, position. We need the sprite to be down here. Okay, so after you do that, it says that you need to set the position for your sprite. So by using these, now it's at the bottom. Hi guys, so I noticed that a clip of my video deleted, or I don't even know if it was recording, but I'm gonna go over what I did. I finished my game. I kind of want to come back and add a score on my next video. After you position your sprite, you want to drag the semi-sprite velocity and change your Vx to 50 and your Vy to 0. And then after that, you drag a semi-sprite bounce on wall. Or well, actually, but you change it to bounce on wall, so your sprite stays on the screen. And then turn that on, so it can bounce on the wall. And then you're gonna drag a semi-sprite to semi-sprite, and then you're gonna change the my sprite to my sprite 2, and then in this gray oval you're gonna want to draw a basketball hoop, and this looks nothing like a basketball hoop, but you know, I'm no artist, but it works. And you're gonna change the kind to hoop, okay? And then after that, you drag a set my sprite, and then change the my sprite to my sprite 2, and position the X to 75. Oh, I did 75 and Y to 7, so I can position my basketball hoop at the top. After you draw the basketball, you grab a semi-projectile and draw the basketball. Then you change the Vx value to 0 and the Vy value to -100. I forgot to click from the toolbox drawer some on my sprays, so we want them to overlap. So we're gonna grab this and drop it on our workspace. So it says click on both player kind drop down menus and change the projectile and the other to hoop. So we change this to hoop. Okay. And then it says from the game toolbox drawer, drag the game over block and drop it into the sprite overlaps. Click on so then you're gonna want to click on this. Okay. Right. Let's see. I don't think this is right, but oh, I did it. Okay, but I said everything. Oh, that's the end of my video. Make sure you guys come back next time. I'm probably gonna start remixing another game. But yeah, or working on something more specific. I'm not sure yet.